we are excited to introduce the new Enless Digital I/O Lora transmitter. This new product allows you to know what is the status of its inputs, open or closed, but above all, to remotely pilot relay outputs. Let's see in more details how this product can be used. The Enless I/O Lora device offers various possibilities to integrators who need to remotely pilot equipment via radio without cable. The I/O transmitter is an externally powered device which provides 2 inputs and 4 relay outputs that can be remotely piloted. The TX-I/O can be used in 3 distinct operational modes. Now let's see what this product is capable of. The first operational mode is remote control. In this mode, the TX-I/O communicates via Lora radio with the Enless Modbus or BACnet receiver. The TX-I/O communicates the status of its inputs to the receiver and pilots its outputs based on commands from the receiver. In this mode, the commands are managed by the BMS system. The second mode is local control. In this mode, the TX-I/O is operating on a standalone way. The TX-I/O pilots its outputs based on the input status. It is up to you to configure the logic control that the TX-I/O will follow. The TX-I/O periodically reports to the receiver what piloting actions have been done. Finally, the third operational mode is D2D, which means device to device. In this mode, the TX-I/O will dialogue with Enless Lora sensors. You can make up to 4 sensors dialogue with the TX-I/O. It can be any type of Enless sensors, such as ambient sensors, pulse sensors, or for example, on-off digital input sensors. The outputs will be piloted based on thresholds configured in the sensors. For example, if temperature of transmitter number 1 is above 20 degrees, open output number 1. Depending on the operational mode, the TX-I/O can be configured from the receiver's web interface or from its own web server. In remote control mode, the configuration is made from the receiver's interface. In local control and D2D modes, the configuration is done from the TX-I/O web server. In both cases, configuration is very easy. To sum up, the TX-I/O is an externally powered transmitter which can provide the status of 2 inputs but can also pilot 4 relay outputs. The TX-I/O can dialogue with Enless receivers in Enless Lora proprietary mode. You can use the TX-I/O in 3 distinct modes: remote control, local control, or D2D mode. Finally, the TX-I/O is easy to set up from the receiver's server or from its own server depending on the operational mode. Thanks for watching. Do not hesitate to get in touch with our sales team to learn more about our TX-I/O transmitter. We will be happy to provide you with further information.